Alright, so I decided to take a video of what I'm doing instead of typing everything out. Maybe get a better idea of what I may be doing wrong, or anyways, I'm gonna run through the post you sent me, and looking at it, I don't know if you may have made a typo. It looks like the first paragraph you may have meant the Suzuki gauge and not my Lowrance, because you went into the second paragraph and talked about the Lowrance unit, so I'm guessing you were talking about the Lowrance Elite in that one. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the key on. Alright, got my beep. Alright, so the first thing you have me do, let's see. We're going to do the vessel setup. Alright. Menu. System setup. First thing you have me do is go to the fuel. I'm going to go to fuel first. Fuel setup. Alright, fuel setup. And then you have me go to so we may be seeing different menus. I'm going to start from the top on the gauge. Well, we have an engine tank config. Engines 1, tanks 1, fuel vessels 75 gallons. I'm going to go ahead and reset everything and start from the top. Alright, so now we're in boat setup. Boat setup. Number of engines 1. Number of fuel tanks 1. US gallons. I'm going to go to 75 gallon. Alright, that seems to be it. I'm gonna go to, what's next? What you got? Let's see. One engine, one tank. Alright, did that. Set the tank capacity. Did that. Exit from the fuel menu, which is kind of like the vessel setup menu. Go back to the network menu again. Device list. Bus devices. Fuel tank. Engine interface. Alright, we're going to go to the engine first. We're going to go ahead and reconfigure it. It's a 2014. It is a 300. Center. Change the device settings. Didn't mention the fuel tank, but I'll go ahead and just reconfigure. Fuel, tank size, probably gonna get mad at me that I'm doing this, but I think this goes along with the engine interface setup. 75 gallons. Alright, so engine interface and fuel tank is set. Alright, the next thing you have me do is go to the Lowrance. Back out so you see what I'm doing. Alright, menu. Settings. And you say go to network. But NEMA 2000 is all I got. Alright, the next thing, I'm going to do an auto configure. Go to device list. Alright, so I see the LMF 400, I see the fuel fluid level sensor, and the Suzuki engine. And you want me to auto configure it, so try to not blur it out. Enter. Alright, so we got a configure option. I'm gonna go ahead and hit configure. Alright, the instance is on 0. I want to say you said once setting up the gauge, it automatically selects that for you. Let me see. Yeah, don't have an auto configure. I seen somewhere you said set it as 1. I may be totally wrong here. Set at 1, and then I get that device configuration error. And that's kind of why I'm videoing this, so you'll be able to tell me what I'm doing wrong. Status is okay, data, no data. Let's go to the fluid level sensor, see if we can do anything with that. Configure. Instance 1. Went too fast. Same thing. Alright. Let me look around here. I don't see any. That's my Elite 9. I don't see anywhere where I can do an auto configure. I just see a configure, and that is it. Yeah, that is it. Alright, so that's where I stand. I don't see anywhere else where I can auto config anything. Try system. Language, audio, time, GPS, about, units, I'm guessing, yeah, units of measure, AIS vessels, that's something totally different, I'm assuming. Oh. Alright, so I'm trying to follow your instructions, but kind of hitting a wall. Yeah. Auto configure in low ranch is located as follows: menu, settings, network, and then you will see the auto configure option. Menu, settings, just don't have a network. That's my data sources. Obviously I don't have anything configured other than the sonar itself. And that's what I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and send you this video. Be able to take a look at it, see if there's anything I'm missing, and go from there. Thanks.